I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. With afternoon highs in the 70s for the most part, a blocking pattern keeps rain mostly confined to western areas of Kansas and Nebraska through tomorrow, possibly increasing the concern for flooding in northwest Kansas. Some of that rain may make it to areas to the south of I-80 in south central Nebraska and north central Kansas. Rain chances decrease for tomorrow night through Wednesday as that low over Colorado starts to drop into the southern plains. Daytime highs warm mostly to seasonal levels in the 80s for the middle part of the week. The time to watch for severe weather late in the day Thursday when a cold front tracks to the southeast. Some forecast models indicating some widespread thunderstorms. Highs on Friday cooling slightly to the low 80s. A ridge of high pressure warms our highs up to near 90 for Father's Day. There are signs the next storm chances could start to arrive by Sunday night. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely this weekend through June 25th for Nebraska, Kansas, and the central U.S. Slightly above normal rainfall is indicated for Nebraska this weekend through June 25th, while Kansas rainfall likely to be near normal. Key weather factors impacting the market trade include active weather with lower rainfall coverage in the U.S., higher rain chances for parts of the Canadian prairies, and the potential of frost in Brazil. Hot weather persists this week across the deep south, especially in Texas, while above normal temperatures build to the north across the nation's midsection. Late week temperatures should reach 90 or higher in parts of the Midwest, while triple-digit heat is observed each day in the south central U.S. Blocking high pressure becomes reestablished across central Canada, contributing to the northward surge of heat across the plains and the western Corn Belt. Little or no rain falls the next 5 days across the northern plains and upper Midwest. For the Midwest, any drought reduction this week likely to be sporadic, but increased drought may not be overly widespread. Across the central and southern plains, recent and upcoming rains are easing the drought conditions, but may not result in improvement in all places. Dry weather prevails across the southern U.S. from southern California to the western Gulf Coast. That contrasts with 5-day rainfall that could reach about 2 to 6 inches or more from around Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas eastward to Georgia and northern Florida. The Canadian prairies see more rain this week, especially with more widespread rain Wednesday and Thursday to western areas that were drier the last couple of weeks. Additional rain is forecast in the Canadian prairies this weekend and next week, and temperatures won't be as hot the next couple of weeks. Southern Brazil this past weekend saw scattered rain that slowly moves into central Brazil this week, spreading beneficial moisture to immature second crop corn and vegetative wheat. Brazil is much cooler the next few days with areas of frost, but nothing widespread with that frost. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.